Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Newcastle Hypnotherapy. I hope you're enjoying the heat. It's lovely and sunny outside. We've got the fans on in here, so it's a little bit noisy. Now, some of you will be aware that we run some regular workshops at the Vault known as the Secret Workshops. And these are little self-development, personal development workshops that use a lot of self-hypnosis and NLP skills, otherwise known as neuro-linguistic programming. And it's really about helping you to be happier in life, to be more confident, to be able to handle things like anxiety and stress. And it's just learning lots of little skills in nice little ways, and we get some really good feedback and reviews, and if you'd like to click the link below you'll find some of that information. Our next workshop has been very led by the people who come along. We've got a great group who come along on a regular basis, and this one's about developing mental and emotional strength. Lots of people have said, what can we do to become stronger, to be mentally stronger, emotionally stronger? And I've sat down and gave it some thought and thought, yeah, let's do a workshop about this and see what we can do with it. So here's the first thing about it, the really good thing about it, is that inside all of us, we have an awful lot of skills, abilities and strengths that usually we're not aware of. We have them, we deal with them, we use them, but we do it unconsciously. And then sometimes when something goes really wrong or we get a real challenge in life, we do one or two things. We either stand up to the challenge and do really well with it and sort it out, or we fall over. And when we stand up and do really well, we use those skills, we do it unconsciously. We don't even think about it usually, it's just snap, I need to do this. And then we go on and we forget about that we've got those skills and we move forward in our life. And then sometimes we might get the same situation, but next time we don't handle it as well. Well, what we're going to do at the workshop is we're going to look inside of you using a really good NLP technique to find those hidden skills and abilities. We're going to make you aware of them, show them how to use them consciously, and then you can go and apply them for the rest of your life. And it's scary that we have these skills and we're not aware of them. But once you become aware of them, your confidence jumps up massively, and you can then switch them on demand as we need to handle things in life. And that's what we're going to do. We've got some lovely techniques where you can go off and work in twos. You'll examine times when you did really well with those. You'll then be aware of those skills. And we're also going to teach you some new skills to improve your confidence, but most of all your mental and your emotional state. So this workshop is going to be on the 10th of July at the Vault as usual. It starts at 7:30 for about two and a bit hours, and it's only £12 if you grab it on the early bird price. If you'd like to come along and want to learn more about this or other events, click the link below. You can then join the newsletter, you can look at the events that are coming up and decide if you'd like to come along. And then also, if you've got an idea for a workshop or there's something you'd like to improve or to make better about yourself, just simply drop us a message, either any way that you want to. We'll take a look at that and see if we can put a workshop together for that. And remember, we teach a lot of neuro-linguistic programming, we're teaching a lot of self-hypnosis, and then we look at all sorts of other little skills, psychological skills, tapping skills, anything like that, just to make life as good as it can be using all these little skills. So I look forward to seeing you all on the 10th at the Vault. Make sure you book in advance, please, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care.